This is the XS01-M interconnected smoke alarms. These are like mini smoke alarms. Yeah, about 2.5 inches wide this way, so they really don't take up a lot of room at all. You can see it in the palm of my hand right here compared to when I was a kid. You know, these things are really small and mighty. They are very loud. They kick out at about 100 decibels. The cool thing about XSense smoke alarms is that you can interconnect devices together. You can do it a couple of different ways. If you have the XSense base station, all of these devices can be connected to a base station and monitored via the XSense app on your phone, which is just super cool because you've got, free monitoring via an app for anywhere you are in the world, but you don't necessarily have to do it that way. The batteries come with it. Pretty cool. You pull the tab on here, put the battery in, and you're good to go. You get mounting hardware and you get the base itself. And the base has a nice little felt pad on here to hold that battery down, which I think is cool. So it's super simple. You just put your 2 screws in, mount it wherever you want, take this and screw it onto there. Simple as that. Like I was saying before, you can either use the base station or you can just connect them by yourself. And the way you do that, you work with 2 units at the same time. You press this button really quick 4 times, it goes into pairing mode like on a Bluetooth. Then you would take your second one, press it 2 times, and it pairs them together, and you can pair up to 24 devices together in one little circuit. One of the reasons why you'd want to have these interconnected is because if one of them goes off, they all go off, and it goes off at 100 decibels. Let me test this. Pretty loud, and you can see it went off on my app to let me know that somebody tested it. So when one of these goes off and they're connected together, they all go off. So if you're upstairs and the one goes off in the basement, you know there's an issue. And they've got a 1,700 foot range on there, assuming you're in an open air situation where it's not being blocked by a bunch of stuff. Pretty cool device from a pretty cool company. I like XSense stuff. This is the XS01-M.